Welcome friends, today we will discuss impeachment versus removal in India, president and judges, a constitutional comparison. Now in this particular video we will discuss why this topic is in news, how president of India is removed from his position, what about the process of removal of high court judges and supreme court judges, then let us do the comparison whether both the processes are similar or different. If different, what's the difference? Then let us draw the conclusion and then as usual mains and prelims questions. So let's start the video. First of all, why it was in news. Now few days back in newspaper and media there was a news regarding a lot of cash was reported at one of the resident of Delhi High Court judge. I repeat, Delhi High Court judge के घर पे tremendous amount of cash मिला. Few people say it is a 15 crore, few people say it is 10 crore, whatever it may be. But how it is possible that at judge resident this much amount of cash is present? And few cash was half burnt as shown in the picture. Then comes the question about accountability of judges. How it is possible that this much amount of cash can be present at judge home? Then few people were calling that whether judges are accountable or not, or mere transfer of judge is sufficient to get rid of the charges which are there on that particular judge. And that's the reason this matter was in news. Then few people were talking about impeachment of judges, and there this particular topic is that this judge should be impeached, this judge should be removed from his position. Then comes the next question: do you really feel that judges are impeached or it is something different? Let us discuss. Regarding President, Article 61 talks about procedure for impeachment of President. Please listen here, the word impeachment is clearly specified in the Indian Constitution. Now, in which house the bill can be initiated? It can be initiated in either house. But before introducing, you have to give 14 days notice to President, and minimum 1/4 of the members should support this particular bill. Now, if first house passes this by 2/3 majority of total members, then it will go to second house. Then comes the next question. So what second house will do? Second house will act as an investigating house. It will investigate the charges. Then do you think president have any right to defend, and if yes, whose help he can take? Yes, president has right to defend and he can take help of attorney general of India or any lawyer of his choice. But if charges prove and if it is passed again by 2/3 majority in second house, then president stands impeached. He gets removed from his position from the same point, same day. This entire process, I repeat, this entire process of removal of president is known as impeachment. So impeachment is not a reason, it's a name given to process of removal of president of India. Then comes the next question. Sir, regarding judges also, is it same? No. Regarding High Court judges and Supreme Court judges, the process is given under Article 124 Clause 4. It's removal. The word used is removal of judges. Now what's the process regarding removal of judges, whether it is High Court or Supreme Court judge? Process is same. How? The bill can be introduced in any house, means it can be introduced in either house of parliament. If you want to introduce in Lok Sabha, minimum 100 members should support. If in Rajya Sabha, I think it is around 50 members should support. Now, after that, the speaker or chairman of the house will appoint a committee of 3 members, and this committee will find out whether the judge concerned is guilty or not. Now, the concerned judge will be given opportunity to defend himself. Answer is yes. But if it is found, committee found that a judge is guilty, then it will go to the both the house, first house and second house. Remember, it's not a joint session, it's independent session. And if it is passed by 2/3 majority in both the house, does that mean judge gets removed from his position? Answer is no. Here president has to pass the order in the same session, means unless and until president is not going to pass any order, judge of High Court or Supreme Court cannot be removed from his post. So do you think both the processes are same? Let us do comparison in table form. Now here in this table it will be quite clear. Regarding president, the article is 61. For judges, it is article 124, clause 4. Regarding president, the word impeachment is clearly specified in the constitution, whereas for high court and supreme court judges, the word uses removal. Regarding president, the reason is violation of constitution. That means if you violate the constitution, then only you can be impeached. Whereas regarding high court and supreme court judge, the reason is prove misbehavior or incapacity, means charges has to be proved. I do agree there are few processes may be similar, but here in case of judges, a 3-member committee is appointed. This is a major difference. Such kind of committee is not there in case of president. Also, when the bill is passed by 2/3 majority in second house, the president stand impeached, that is, his gets removed from his position immediate effect. Whereas in case of judge, even if it is passed by 2/3 majority, still the judge is not removed from his position unless and until president passes necessary order in same session. Now, do you think this both the process are same? Answer is no. Then comes the next question. So why in newspapers or why in some of the media channel the word used regarding judges is impeachment? Now, there are many reasons, possible reasons. I'm not saying that is exactly. It may be a generalized approach used by channels, or removal of judges is also difficult. Like president, I'm saying like president, that does not mean it is exactly same. Please remember there's a difference between same and similar. The process of removal of judges is not at all same. There are few points which may call as similar but not same, and impeachment word is only used in case of president. So if this question asked in the exam, please write it as answer as president. Now let us solve mains question. Discuss the process of impeachment of President of India. If you have seen this video, I hope you can answer this question very well. Let us try to solve a prelims question. Which of the following statements are correct regarding impeachment of judges and impeachment of president and removal of judges in India? Now, 4 statements are given: A, B, C, and D. Please go through all 4 statements, and if you know the answer, write it in the comment box. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much.